Waftai Lava. This video is on the just happened tense marker ua. Recall that the tense markers set the tone for an entire phrase by changing the tense of verbs and main ideas. For example, the verb phrase sit straight. In Samoan, sit straight doesn't change with the tense like in English to sitting straight, going to sit straight, or like the past tense sat straight. The tense marker changes the tense. So if we use the just happened tense marker ua would change the tense of the verb phrase sit straight to just sat straight. Ua no fosao. Ua no fosao. So let's say I just went in the house. Right there. So if we say I just went in the house, the descriptive structure would be ua o alu I le fale. Ua o alu I le fale. Tense marker ua, and then you have your descriptive pronoun o, which is I, and because it's descriptive, it comes before the verb. Then you have the verb alu or go, and then the prepositional phrase, which we haven't got to yet, is in the house or I le fale. Then the emphatic structure would be ua alua'u I le fale. Tense marker ua. Then you have your verb alu before the emphatic pronoun a'u, of course, is I. Then again, your prepositional phrase in the house. And then if you want to start it with a noun phrase, you're going to have o'a'u, ua alu I le fale. O'a'u, ua alu I le fale. So the noun phrase o'a'u, and that is the emphatic form, right? O'a'u. Then just happened, tense marker ua, and then the verb alu, which is go, then the prepositional phrase I le fale. So again, you see there, it's just all phrases together. So you have your noun phrase, o'a'u, the emphatic noun phrase, o'a'u. Then you have the tense marker right there, ua alu, and that's your verb phrase, ua alu. And then your prepositional phrase, I le fale. So, waftai te lava.